So I am on my way to Nature's Emporium in Newmarket, Ontario for our first curbside touchless delivery of groceries. The day before yesterday I saw a powerful video from Nurse Mary McDonald from Michigan, and then yesterday I saw another extremely moving video from Dr. Colleen Smith in New York City, both on the front lines treating COVID-19, and both really expressing just how desperate the situation is. So, long story short, at that point, my wife and I both decided we'll see if we can get groceries delivered. And lo and behold, our favorite store, Nature's Emporium, recently announced that they will begin touchless curbside deliveries. So what you do is you put your order in online at naturesemporium.com, and then they give you a call when your order is ready. You make your payment over the phone, and then you come and pick it up. And when you arrive, you more or less drive up to the front door and give them a call, and you let them know that that you're there, and then they come and they deliver it. And in many cases, you can just pop your trunk. They'll put the groceries in there, and you can close your trunk and drive away. So here we are, and let's see how this works. Amazing.
You're receiving the back, sir.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you so much. Stay well. Well, there you go. That was great. Be well, stay well, and we'll see you later.